From the front, the 2026 Lexus Truck immediately commands attention with its aggressive, space-age design. The sharp LED headlights are embedded into aerodynamic channels that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Lexus has replaced the traditional grille with a patterned futuristic front panel that proudly displays the illuminated Lexus emblem. It's bold, it's muscular, and it's absolutely unmistakable on the road. Now check out the rear. The back of this truck is a sculpted work of art. With full-width LED taillights and an illuminated Lexus wordmark across the tailgate, the design screams innovation. The sculpted fenders, aggressive diffuser, and carbon fiber accents all hint at the performance lurking beneath the surface. This isn't just a truck, it's a luxury spaceship with a bed. Inside, the 2026 Lexus Truck transforms into a high-end lounge on wheels. The cabin features a panoramic digital dashboard, a yoke-style steering wheel, and ambient lighting that changes with your driving mode. Premium leather seats, copper-accented trims, and floating controls make it feel more like a Lexus LS than a rugged 4x4. This interior isn't just about comfort, it's about redefining what a truck interior can be. Under the hood, expect serious power. Lexus is rumored to be dropping in a hybrid twin-turbo V6 or even an all-electric variant pushing up to 500 horsepower. With full-time 4x4 capabilities, adaptive air suspension, and terrain response modes, this truck is ready for dirt, snow, mud, and anything else you can throw at it. Off-road capability has never looked this elegant. So how much will the 2026 Lexus Truck set you back? Based on what we're seeing, expect pricing to start around $75,000 for the base luxury edition and climb north of $90,000 for the high-performance fully loaded model. This truck isn't for everyone. It's for those who want the power of a beast with the soul of a Lexus. The 2026 Lexus Truck 4x4 is a game changer. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's unapologetically luxurious. Whether you're climbing mountains or cruising the boulevard, this is the truck that will turn heads and raise standards. Hit that like button if this Lexus beast impressed you, and subscribe for more reviews of the hottest upcoming rides. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.